Hello everyone. Are you tired of carrying around a bulky wallet that ruins the lines of your clothes and weighs you down all day? Today on Tech Product, we are looking at the best magnetic card holder to help you slim down your everyday carry without sacrificing what you need. Let's get started. Designed for users who need a simpler way to carry their daily essentials, the MagKing magnetic card holder is a modern accessory that beautifully blends smart functionality with a minimalist design. In a world where we are increasingly moving towards digital payments, carrying a heavy wallet simply does not make sense anymore. MagKing created a compact solution that allows you to carry exactly what you need while leaving annoying pocket clutter completely behind you. When you first pick up the MagKing magnetic card holder, you will immediately notice the exceptional quality of the materials. MagKing crafted this beautiful accessory using a thoughtful combination of premium artificial leather and high-quality genuine leather. This specific blend was chosen for a very good reason. The genuine leather provides that incredibly refined texture and rich, luxurious feel that we all love in a premium wallet. Meanwhile, the artificial leather elements add an extra layer of impressive durability and structural strength. Together, these materials create an accessory that not only looks fantastic but is also perfectly suited for the rigorous demands of your everyday use. It will easily resist daily wear, ensuring your wallet looks incredibly stylish for many years to come. Moving on to the physical shape, this accessory is brilliantly designed as a foldable mini leather wallet. Traditional wallets tend to become incredibly thick and uncomfortable, especially when you sit down with one in your pocket. The MagKing magnetic card holder solves this annoying problem by offering a wonderfully sleek and compact style. It is thin enough to comfortably slide right into your front pocket or a small handbag without causing unsightly bulges. Because of its elegant aesthetic, it features a fantastic unisex design. This ensures complete versatility, making it a highly practical choice for both men and women. No matter what your personal fashion tastes might be, this wallet will blend effortlessly into your daily wardrobe. Of course, a great wallet needs to hold your important items securely. That is exactly where the built-in storage compartment comes into play. MagKing engineered the interior to keep your daily essentials perfectly organized and always easily accessible. You have plenty of dedicated space to carry your most important credit cards, your identification, and a little bit of cash, all without adding any unnecessary bulk. The layout is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to quickly slide your cards out when you are standing in line at the store. You will never have to awkwardly dig through a messy stack of cards again. Everything has its designated place, making your daily transactions much smoother. One of the absolute standout features of the MagKing magnetic card holder is the strong magnetic closure system. Older wallet designs often rely on buttons that can break off or zippers that constantly snag. MagKing chose to use powerful internal magnets to secure the contents of your wallet. This ensures that all your valuable cards and cash remain safely and tightly in place when the wallet is closed. When you need to grab something, the magnets easily pull apart, providing you with effortless ease of access. When you are done, the wallet simply snaps itself shut with a satisfying click. This thoughtful design element greatly enhances both the overall security and the everyday usability, making it a reliable option for daily carry. Another incredibly unique benefit of the MagKing magnetic card holder is its washable construction. Think about how much you handle your wallet every single day. Over time, standard wallets can become quite dirty, and most cannot be cleaned easily. Because MagKing designed this accessory to be washable, it adds massive convenience and longevity to its lifespan. You can easily clean it and restore it to a beautiful condition. Compact, incredibly stylish, and outstandingly durable, this accessory combines modern craftsmanship with highly practical features to offer a dependable solution for organized storage. Are you ready to finally ditch your old wallet and upgrade to something more sleek and secure? Check the price link in the description to find the exact model we talked about today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product so you never miss out on our future videos. Thank you so much for hanging out and learning about this awesome accessory today, and we will see you in the next one.